Today I have the Samsung Odyssey Neo G7 43-inch Mini LED monitor, showcasing its Mini LED power with the PlayStation 5 on the chainsaw demo from Resident Evil 4. I'll talk to you about what I've been able to notice, as technically this is my first time seeing this monitor. I'll also have a SDR versus HDR section. While this is an SDR video, I did try to record this in HDR, but I couldn't export it in time. But you can see that SDR power versus the HDR refinement. So we'll check that out before we get into actual gameplay. Hi friends and welcome to Viktors Reality. Now before I get to the unboxing, this demo just came out and I had to play it, especially on this Mini LED monitor. Here I'm going to be showing you a couple of things, and for the rest of the video I'll leave you with gameplay. But so far my time with this monitor has been a good one. This is on PlayStation 5. This is not PC gameplay, maximizing its 144Hz. This is on the standard 60Hz. Game motion is on, but I have noticed it is a little bit different than the G6 and G70B. You can see right here friends, the monitor menu. This is in game mode, and when I first turned on this monitor, it was overly sharp, so I had to reduce it to 5. I would say between 5 and 8, so if you're thinking of getting this monitor, right away do that, because at 10, Resident Evil 4, a whole bunch of games just looked overly sharp, and I can see why people may say there's tremendous overshoot, so at least reduce it to 5 and work from there. I do have this on the standard response time, but so far on next generation consoles I don't have any complaints. I have been using the YouTube app, no issues. HDR looks amazing, especially in this form factor in the Odyssey lineup. It just really depends on how much you pay for this. At $1,000, you're very close to the QN90C. That has a glossier screen. But I don't have any complaints on the viewing angles. Maybe the matte coating is retaining certain things. Yes, it does wash a little bit, but nowhere near the Aorus FE43U. So if you have that monitor, this is an upgrade. But I would say 3 people wide is the max setting for this monitor to get the full impact. All the colors, all the brightness. Once you start moving towards the sides, it starts to diminish little by little. But nothing bad or crazy or unenjoyable. It's still an amazing picture. But again friends, I'll show you that when we get to the first impressions and unboxing. But I wanted to play this game because it just came out and it looks amazing on this monitor. Come on, it's Resident Evil, especially the remake. Look at the places with fire or the flashlight. This is when Mini LED technology really shines through. Regardless if it's only 360 zones, it's better than 32 vertical. You get what I'm saying? Yes, at this size, it is really nice. Especially when Leon is in the basement or in a dark room with his flashlight. It does really look nice. And it does get very bright. So we have SDR on the left and HDR on the right. And this is what I wanted to show you. Look at the refinement of the fire in HDR mode. While in SDR, it's much more impactful. It's a lot more colorful, but you can easily see in HDR, it looks more refined, more realistic. I would even say a little bit deeper. Now this is the first time I've actually done something like this with this kind of a game. So what a perfect way to do it on a Mini LED monitor. I do have some gameplay here of what you're going to see later on in the video, but you can easily see they both look good. SDR and HDR are easily handled here on this monitor. And this is a very dark game. A lot of dark colors. And as I'm seeing this in post, I'm looking at that HDR image, and yes, I think I would always play this in HDR mode. It's that good. Even though it only has 360 zones, it can get very bright. This is an HDR 600 monitor. The reason why I wanted to show you this, and again, you'll be able to see this later on with the full screen gameplay, is that there is no smear or trail, at least at 60 Hz. But I'm not saying this is Neo G7 or 832-inch territory. Those are faster monitors. Nor is this QD-OLED or OLED. But it looks really good for a 43. And I'm going to say it again, I'm looking at both screens just like you are, and my eyes are leaning towards the right. It just looks like a better picture. Again, this video can't capture the high dynamic detail that HDR could bring you, or even SDR with the peak highlights. So I'll try to get you that HDR footage very soon. But in the meantime, you guys be the judge. Until we get to that unboxing and first impressions, I'll leave you here with Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo gameplay. I really think the image speaks for itself. It's an amazing monitor. Don't pay full price. Wait for a sale, and I'm sure you'll be happy. We'll talk more about this versus the Aorus and the QN90C 43 in my unboxing and first impressions video. I didn't want to get too technical with this one. Just want to give you some gameplay and show you that power of Mini LED. So please enjoy the rest of the video friends. Hit that like button so more people can see it to help them make that awesome buying decision. And consider subscribing if you want more information on this Neo G7 43-inch model, among other Samsung monitors I have here on the channel. Thanks for watching friends. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.
going home? Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. ¿Vino aquí? This is not good. Man, that stinks. Hey. I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on? What was that? Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are. Gotta go. Talk later. I'll let myself out.
¡No dejéis que se escape!